All right, hello, welcome back. I'm Mr. Solt, and we're looking at part 3 of 4 here. Now, I'm not going to do many of the problems on this one, right? Because we've already practiced all the skills that you need. So if you did parts 1 and part 2, and you understand what's going on, this should be fine for you. Certainly there's help if you need it. You can, email me or let me know on Google Classroom that you need help with a certain problem, and I'm happy to help. But you put your name in there. Put your learning targets in there like you've done for the last couple ones. And okay, maybe I'll do this first one just to get you started. Jaquan just answered a help wanted ad. The ad states that the job pays 27K annually. What would be Jaquan's gross monthly salary be if he gets this job? All right. Maybe you want to pause me, give it a try, because you'll learn more if you give this a try on your own. All right, give this a swing. Through the magic of video, I'm unpaused. All right. Well, I'm hoping that you first saw this 27K and you knew what that meant. You knew that that meant $27,000, right? K stands for thousand. So basically what I'm doing here is I'm taking 27 and it says 27K. I'm multiplying that by 1,000 because K equals 1,000, right? $27,000. All right. And then it asks, what would Jaquan's gross monthly salary be if he gets this job? So now you know Jaquan is going to make $27,000 a year. To find out the monthly, you'd have to divide by how many months there are in a year. Remember how many months there are in every year? How many months? January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. That's 12 months in every year. 27,000 divided by 12 will give you a monthly figure. All right, so there should be an answer somewhere in here that roughly corresponds to what we did. If you were trying to find the weekly figure, and that's not this question, but the weekly figure, we take that 27,000, we divide by 52 because there are 52 weeks in a year. All right, there's the weekly figure. That's $519.23 per week is what Jaquan would make. Okay, and so you'll try to find out the weekly salary for Jara here, and then for Isaiah, you'll have to find out what 15% of a certain number is, right? 15% of the first 5 weeks' pay. So that's kind of how these go. If you need help, send me an email. But I want you to try to practice and refine the stuff you learned in numbers 1 and numbers 2. And there's videos for those. But this is the part where I want you to kind of see. I want to see what you can do. I want to see if you can do these. All right. All right. I'm Mr. Solt, and I usually say I'll see you in class, but maybe I'll see you in the halls.